Hey everybody, welcome back to ReConvert for Wix. This is Eric, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up ReConvert on your Wix store. Luckily for you, we made it super simple to get started. All you have to do is just choose the maximum amount of discount you're willing to offer your customers at checkout, and we will do everything else for you. By analyzing more than 40,000 stores using ReConvert, we came to the conclusion that offering the same product purchased with an additional discount at checkout is the offer that tends to convert the most. Now, of course, if there is a specific product you want to upsell, you can set it up this way and just choose the product that you want. In this case, I'm just gonna get it back to the most expensive product in cart, and let's just say that the maximum amount of discount I'm willing to offer my customers is 20% at checkout if they take that specific item. If you want to set up everything manually, you can also do that, but I'm going to show you later how to get it done. For now, I'm just gonna click on activate. And this is it. ReConvert is now active on your Wix checkout. If you want to go to your dashboard, which is going to be empty right now, you can just click on Go to Dashboard button. But now I'm just going to go to the checkout editor to show you around. And this is the ReConvert checkout editor. If you want to learn more about the Wix checkout editor, just click the help button in here, and there's going to be a tutorial with a help video to help you look around. Also, by the time you're watching this video, you should be able to see on the bottom right corner of the screen a live chat support bubble with our agents available 24/7 for you. Now here is my Upsell widget. This is what it's going to look like. Right now it's just showing a dynamic product image, but on the actual checkout, it's going to show your product image. On the left menu, you can see all the widgets that you've added to this checkout. In this case, I have multi-product upsell widget. In it, I have one product, and inside the product, you can see that you have the image, product title, description, discount, so on and so forth. Above the product, I have text and divider just to make it look a little bit better. If you want to edit any of these elements, you can just click them. For example, if I click the product, on the right side, I'm going to see all the customization options. Right now, it's set to display the most expensive product purchased, but if I want, I can also choose a specific product. I'm going to show you how to do it in a minute. Now, I'm not going to go through the customization settings of each one of these blocks. You can just click it and see the options coming up on the right menu. Now, let's say that I want to offer two products at checkout. All I have to do is just click the Add Widget button and then add another product. And right now I have two products in here. And let's say that for the second product, I don't want to display the most expensive product in cart because it doesn't make sense to display two of the same product. I'm just going to display a specific product. And let's say that specifically in my store, I know that this bottle right here tends to convert the best. So I'm just going to add that as a specific product. Now, if I want to have this product above the other product, all I have to do is just drag it above the other product, and here we go. And let's just add a divider in between them. I think it's going to look a little bit better. Great. And then for the title, let's change it to products because now we have two products in here. So let's just do, we also like these products. Okay, now I think it looks pretty good. And for this specific product, let's also throw in a discount, and let's call it, let's just say 10% off of this product. Sounds like a reasonable offer for this one. So now that I'm happy with my changes, I'm just gonna hit save, and let's just go back to the ReConvert dashboard. Okay, and here is my ReConvert dashboard. As you can see, it's fairly empty right now because we still have no data. You can see that the app is active. You can disable it by clicking this toggle right here. If you want to go back to the editor, just click the Flow Builder option in here. And now let's just head to my store to see what the upsells actually look like in my checkout. All right, here is my test store. Let's just go to any product and just add it to the cart. And now when I go to checkout, I should be able to see that small bottle at a 10% discount. And then I should also see this one for 20% discount. Great. And as you can see, here are my two offers, the same product at 20% discount, and then this bottle at 10% discount. And if I want to just add this item to the order, all I have to do is just select the variant, select the quantity that I want to add, and just click the add button, and here we go. Perfect. Now, if I go back to my ReConvert dashboard and just refresh it, I should be able to start seeing some analytics being populated on my dashboard. As you can see, I have for this widget 2 impressions and 1 click. The click-through rate is 50%, still no conversions because I didn't complete the purchase. Now, let's take it to the next level. Let's say that I want to make a specific offer when someone buys a specific product. How can I do that with ReConvert? Well, just head over to the Flow Builder, and this is the Flow Builder. The Flow Builder allows you to display different offers to different customers based on different conditions, either by the product purchased or other conditions. The flow builder is built by the pages section on the left side. As you can see, currently there is only checkout in here, but by the time you're watching this video, there might be other pages in here like the product page, cart page, and thank you page. After selecting a page, you're going to need to select a condition. By default, there is a condition here that's going to be displayed every time that no other condition is being met. After selecting a condition, you're going to see a slot. A slot is a group of widgets you're going to set up through the ReConvert editor. When clicking a slot, you're going to see some more information about the widgets that are in the slot. As you can see here, this slot is built out of a product upsell, text, and 2 products inside a product upsell. I can see analytics for each one of these widgets, and if I want to edit the content of the slot, I'm just going to click the Edit Widgets section. And here is my ReConvert checkout editor for Wix. If you want to learn more about that, just click the help video in here to learn more about the editor. I'm just going to go back to my flow builder. And as you can see right now, we only have 1 condition and 1 slot. If I want to set up a specific condition, let's say that in my store, I know that whenever someone buys a shirt, I want to offer a cap because this offer tends to work well for us. I'm just going to click on add condition and I'm going to name it bought a shirt. Then I'm going to set the condition to be a specific product, and then at least 1 product in the cart is from this list. And then I'm just going to select the shirt. Here is my shirt, and now I'm going to click save. And as you can see, the condition has been created. You can always edit the condition later. Now, all I need to do is just add the widget that I want when someone buys a shirt. In this case, I just want to display the hat as an upsell. I'm just going to click on add widgets. By default, we can see that we already have product upsell in here. We just need to make some changes in this case. So let's just name this upsell for internal use hat 20% off. Let's start by changing the title. All right, so I changed the title to be a little bit more personalized for the offer. As for the product itself, I'm just going to change it to specific product, and I'm going to select the cap. All right, perfect. As for the product details, we're going to display an alternative product title and just call it. All right, let's make it bold. I think it looks a little bit better. As for the discount, as we promised, we're going to apply a 20% discount on this item, right? So it's only going to be 32 ILS. For the rest of it, I think it's pretty much okay. So I'm just going to hit save. Now I'm going to go back to my flow builder. And as you can see, we now have 2 conditions. The first condition is whenever someone buying a shirt, I'm going to display this hat at 20% off. And the default condition in which we're going to display 2 products. One of them is a specific product at 10% off, and the other one is going to be the same product in the cart at 20% off. Of course, you can create multiple conditions to display different offers based on different conditions. But for the sake of the example, I think it's enough to have 1 condition and the 1 default condition. Now let's go to my store and see what it actually looks like. Now let's say that I want to buy this chair. If I buy it, I should be able to see the small bottle as an upsell, and I should also see another chair at a 20% discount. Let's see if it works. Perfect. So seems like my default condition works. Let's see what happens now when I buy a shirt. Let's go back to my store and let's get that shirt. Great. And as you can see, I now see the hat at 20% off when I buy the shirt. Now let's just add it to my cart. As you can see, my discount is applied automatically, and let's just place the order. Great, here's my thank you page, and we got the hat at a 20% discount with this order. Now let's get back to ReConvert and refresh to see the new data collected. And here we go. By the way, it can take up to a minute for the data to actually sync. So if you're running a test and not seeing the analytics, just wait a few more minutes and refresh the page. At the top, you can see your total generated revenue and you can see your conversion rate. Below that, you can see a table of the performance by condition. If you've created multiple conditions, you can see how each and every one of them performs. And below that, you're going to see your top performers in terms of products. Right now, all the products in this store, since it's a demo store, have the title I'm a product. But of course, if you have different products, you're going to see the product titles in here. And this is it, guys. You now know how to set up ReConvert on your Wix store and deploy checkout upsells to start boosting your revenue and average order value. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to reach out to our live chat support at the bottom right corner of the screen or comment on this video, and I promise we will answer each and every one of you. I'll see you on the next video. Good luck.